All right, we're getting our plane back from maintenance. I've done a thorough walk around, getting everything back right where it should be. I'm gonna undo all these seat belts. I don't like them like that. Yeah, I'll undo that one too. We'll fix that up later. Everything looks good. The potty's in there. Emergency kit, first aid kit is good. All right, here's our new side-facing seat instead of the cabinet. I like it. I think it's gonna be nice. You're gonna be able to sit down and make your coffee or whatever. The only problem is the carpet. The carpet right there. We pulled it out and tried to stuff it back in there. The little cutouts for the carpet for where the seat is bolted down is not right. So we're gonna have to get a carpet guy to cut us a new piece of carpet, because that ain't right. It's got a gap here and a gap here and a gap here, and they put my manuals and everything all in weird places. But anyways, we're gonna get going. Let me get up here. We've checked all our switches. Everything's good. Get up here. And I took out my headsets just so we wouldn't lose them. So I got one pair. All the circuit breakers are in. Let's turn on the battery. Set parking brake. Parking brake is set.
Ground Alaska 9430. We're at Mike Central, short Mike Golf, ready to please. Alaska 9430, rather stand by for I'll get you a tank in here just a moment.
All right, and we got 1370, so I think we got more fuel than what I had. But anyways, we'll check out our radios, make sure they didn't screw with anything there. They kind of did, but that's okay. All right, and we got 25 volts, so we're good. I'm gonna turn this off, get the chock out, get it fired up, and we'll get going. So stay tuned. Let's move this stuff too. I'm gonna put that right there. But yeah, we can sit down right here in the seat. You can come up here and make your coffee. Right? So that's nice. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, so everything else is good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, damn, right there. Oh, I hate to be picky. But yeah, when they... Alright, everything else looks good. So, alright, so stay tuned. Let's get this show going. I'm gonna set the camera. Let's undo this right here. Let's stop. Alright, we're recording. I don't have my mic in, but y'all just talk loud. With 28 volts, we're gonna start the right one.
Hey, Ground American 2898 with Golf, ready for taxi, fly right.
American 2898, runway 5 right, taxi the Kilo Alpha Cross 14 at Kilo.
Kilo Alpha Cross runway 14 at Kilo. Cleared to taxi runway 5 right, American 2898. Greensboro ground up to 948 to Tech Air with Golf, ready taxi, squawking 2020.
Alright, got a good start. Oh, look, they changed my...
Up to 948.
I did all this.
Where are you at again?
Tech Air, it's a maintenance facility over here. Tech Air by signature. Post Delta 1.
Okay, that's what. Just double checking. Up to 948, runway 5 right, taxi the Delta Kilo Alpha Cross 14 at Kilo.
Okay, going to 5 right via Delta Kilo Alpha. Going through the cross 14 Kilo up to 948.
Pause system test. Okay.
Okay, 948 exit to the Cessna taxi instructions. Runway 5 left, taxi via Delta Hotel.
They're going to 5 left at Delta Hotel up to 948.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey Greensburg.
Yeah, Juliet Whiskey, we're over here at the Cessna Service Center, need to reposition the signature.
Cessna 300 Juliet Whiskey. Roger. Turn right on taxiway Charlie, hold for taxiway Mike.
Turn on Charlie, we'll hold for the Mike.
Ground number 4586, on gate 26, we're ready to flush, we're pushing up.
Number 4586, push back your discretion, by very taxi with the weather.
Autopilot.
We have
Autopilot.
golf.
Autopilot.